Sige guys, sana naman dumami to ng 1 million. Oo. Uy, sana naman gawin ninyong 1 million subscribers to. Oo. Trivia! Bakit ba maraming nagpapakamatay sa Gaisano Mall of Davao, Bahada? A little question lang to you guys. Alam niyo naman itong sinubscriber ninyo nagsulat ng isang libro. At medyo may pamilya politiko rin siya on the side. Alam kami, what do you guys do on LGU, especially on your municipality? A little bit question lang guys. Bakit kaya maraming nagpapakamatay sa Gmall Bahada of Davao City? Kung gusto niyo malaman, subscribe na.